Yeah. What's it? What's it? Бүгін ертең бәрі басталды шөптен. Кешегі күлген адамдардың бәрі көтке кіретінін білген. Бүгін ертең бәрі басталды шөптен. Кешегі күлген адамдардың бәрі көтке кіретінін білген. Біздік вайп ешкім түсінбейді, өттік сөйлейді, сөздерінен секіріп рад ой дейді, тоқта гони жестко, твоя доска не для наш пол. Мои слова это H2O, өзінше бизнес XO, тірліктер сөзбен өтірік о. Их прет с одного, хули класс тастан бәрі молодой.
Ай, лох, потапрагын дайна.
Лехем, илиңгі тұқа басқа.
Кешегі күлген адамдардың бәрі көтке кіретінін білген. Кешегі күлген адамдардың бәрі көттен сөйлеп бетке.
Бүйманны өлелейбіз.
Ой, бітіркім ләғілі бет. Кісабыт. Алас кәмінері тұтуған. Йоркі бүйін ардақтағы осы. Қайдақ болыр. Кылдырыны. Дәш білден ек біт.
Yeah, naive, boom tracks, a soul chef production, got me like, don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while I cite this now, so let me grab the mic, don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while I cite this now, so let me have the mic. I'm getting older, I'm no longer the young pro, so ain't no little kid gonna tell me I'm done for, and you ain't even worth it to rhyme to, just thought I'd go and leave a little note to remind you, in case you wanna stir the pot up, cause a little drama, you don't really wanna battle, lots of things you never thought of and never seen, you caught a line and became a fiend, my dope rhyme like amphetamine, you had a dream, the type to make you think you fall through, who you think you are, you ain't too big to sock to, I kick one, I grab the mic and I spit some, try to share the soul, laying low in my system, and say whatever, it just don't matter anymore, I know my future is destined to carry on, there's no baggage, it's heavy on, my shoulders are very strong, you know. Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while it's like this now, so let me grab the mic, Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while it's like this now, so let me have the mic, Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while it's like this now, so let me grab the mic, Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while it's like this now, so let me have the mic. It's just the same old motif, the heart never safe. Pretty girl's a cold thief, she got away. The way she move make you wanna stay. It's kinda smooth how she stalk and pray. I walk away, don't blame me if you see me look back though. She fit me to a Texas T, baby was black gold. And from my rap flow, I thought I had her, but I guess it didn't matter. She didn't think it was that dope. Leave the girl with the woe is me. Just another slideshow with my poetry. Picture me rolling in the 500, buying roses in the dozen for the lady I want. Won't that be something? But I worry it will never be. Too many games be played, love. We use it in a phrase like a spelling bee. Putting a spell on me. Hypnotized was the devil in the sky. She decided to hell with me. Yeah. Don't wanna write this down. I wanna say it while it's like this now. So let me grab the mic. Don't wanna